Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I do my hair after I wash it. As you can see, like I have it in a t-shirt to kind of soak up a lot of the excess water. So today I'm going to use the Shea Moisture silicone free miracle cellular leave-in treatment. So I'm going to use that to oil my scalp. I'm just going to use a mixture of oils. So this is the wild growth oil, Jamaican black castor oil, and olive oil that's in here. And to actually twist up my hair, I'm going to use the Talia Wajid Lock It Up. So I'm going to use that. And if my hair gets dry, I just have this. It has water, rice water, lemon extract, the Mielle Organics mint almond oil in it, and I believe that's it. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my twist. Guys, this is pretty much how my hair is. No product in it. Look at that. These curls are popping. You know, I dealt with some postpartum shedding after I had baby girl, so my edges were absolutely gone. But I searched up rice water, and it's honestly has been a freaking miracle, like with my edges. If I can find a picture, I'll insert how bad my edges were and how they are now. And if you guys want me to do a video on rice water, let me know, and I'll make a video for that. Don't like things with pumps. Like, it's just terrible. I'm not a fan. Cause like, look, you see how like that squirts? Like, that's terrible. Free miracle treatment. It has sugarcane extract, metafoam seed oil, and marshmallow root. So it says to spray into palm of hands and gently run through dry styled hair or mist through damp hair prior to detangling or heat styling, styled as desired. So that's, I'm spraying into my hand right now. That's what I'm doing. And my hair's already detangled. I already have a video up on my wash day. So by the time you guys see this video, it'll be up. So what I'm gonna do is open this thing up if I can and just get to twisting, I guess. I'm gonna do like the middle part. Now for my twist, I normally don't do anything like special with my twists. I just grab whatever and keep it moving. So this is what the Talia Wajid Lock It Up product looks like. Looks like a really, like a mixture of an edge control and a gel. So I'm just going to do it like this, put it all over my hair, and see how that goes, really. Alright. And let's get to twisting. So as you guys can see, I did the rest of this off camera. I just saved this little part for y'all to do. So I'm just gonna use my little water. My hair got dry. It's just better to twist hair that is wet.